Hello, everyone. Uh, Today we are going to be continuing from our previous lessons. Now, in this second phase of the calculations, we're not going to waste time. So we'll just go straight to the question. We'll start solving. Is that clear? Now, look at this question here. The question says the conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole per liter KCl solution has the resistance of 120 ohms. Calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity if the resistance of the same cell when filled with 0.02 mole per liter KCl solution is 500 ohms. The conductivity of the 0.1 mole per liter KCl solution is this. Now, what do? The cell constant, of course, you are aware, is the specific conductance, also called conductivity, multiplied by resistance. From the question now, we have to, from this 0.1 to get our 0.02. Now, if you multiply your resistance, your conductivity here, which is 1.29, multiplied by 120, you have your answer to be 154.8 per meters. Now, you have to follow a particular unit. I have to convert it towards now to per centimeter by divided by 1000. So it will give me 1.548 per centimeter. Now we can now come to now solve for the specific conductance or the conductivity and molar conductivity. So we come to say K is equal to cell constant divided by what now? Resistance, which is now equal to 1.548 divided by my resistance here of this 0.02 KCl I'm looking for is 500, which when you do it, it will be what now? 3.096 times 10. This is what now? Minus 3 what now? Siemens per centimeter. Now I've got it for the K. To now get for your molar conductivity now, which is this, is K, which is conductivity times 1000 over your concentration of the 0.02 mole per liter. My K here is 3.096 times 10 to the minus 3 multiplied by 1000 divided by my concentration now is this, which is 0.02. When you multiply, 1000 divided by 0.02, final answer is 154.8 Siemens centimeter square per mole. That was one of the oversights in my previous video, whereby the unit of equivalent and molar conductivity, the only difference between them is that in this one it is per mole, in the other equivalent it is per equivalent. Please take note, I made an oversight in my previous video. Now we'll now move straight down to another important video on this segment. Stay tuned, do well to subscribe, and in case you have any question or you want a private tutoring in chemistry, do well to WhatsApp me on this line. Thank you and God bless you.